Imagine a future where humans are no longer needed in space. A world where artificial intelligence and robotic astronauts chart the stars, replacing the brave pioneers who once risked their lives. What if I told you that this future is already unfolding? Right now, NASA has been secretly developing AI astronauts, robotic beings capable of surviving the extreme conditions of deep space. But why? And what does this mean for the future of humanity's role in space? This is not science fiction. This is reality. And tonight, we're pulling back the curtain on NASA's secret AI astronauts. Human space travel has always been a massive challenge. Astronauts endure intense radiation, isolation, and the psychological strain of months, sometimes years, away from Earth. Missions to Mars and beyond pose even greater risks. So, the question arises, why risk human lives when we can send intelligent machines instead? NASA, SpaceX, and other space agencies have already deployed robotic explorers like the Perseverance rover on Mars. But these machines are just the beginning. The real game changer is artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional robots, AI astronauts don't just follow pre-programmed commands. They think, adapt, and learn. Enter Robonaut 2, a humanoid robot developed by NASA in collaboration with General Motors. Unlike older robotic systems, Robonaut 2 can operate in zero gravity, use tools, and even perform maintenance tasks aboard the International Space Station. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The real AI astronauts are far more advanced, and their development has been largely kept from the public eye. NASA's Autonomous Systems and Robotics Division has been working on AI-driven space explorers that can function independently for years. One such project is Valkyrie, an advanced humanoid robot designed for deep space missions. Unlike Robonaut 2, Valkyrie isn't just a helper. It's a potential astronaut replacement. But NASA's ambitions go beyond humanoid robots. Meet EVA AI, an artificial intelligence system capable of piloting spacecraft, making real-time mission decisions, and even responding to unpredictable space hazards faster than a human astronaut ever could. Then there's Spheres, a set of free-floating AI-powered robots tested aboard the ISS. These spherical droids communicate, navigate, and even cooperate on tasks. The idea? AI astronauts that can function as an autonomous team, eliminating the need for human supervision. The real kicker? NASA isn't the only player in this game. China, Russia, and private space companies are racing to develop their own AI-driven astronauts. What happens when machines become more reliable than human astronauts? Will we still have a place in space, or are we on the verge of being completely replaced? If AI astronauts replace humans in space, what does this mean for the future of space colonization? Some scientists argue that AI is the key to exploring the farthest reaches of the universe. Machines don't need food, water, or oxygen. They can withstand radiation and extreme temperatures, making deep space missions more feasible. But there's a darker side to this technological revolution. What happens when AI astronauts become fully autonomous? What if they start making decisions without human oversight? Could AI explorers claim new planets before we do? And if so, who owns the stars? The possibility of AI-driven expansion into space raises ethical and existential questions. If robots terraform Mars before we even get there, does it still belong to humanity? And could artificial intelligence develop its own agenda, separate from human goals? Some experts believe AI will never fully replace human astronauts. Instead, they see a future where humans and AI work together, where AI handles the dangerous routine tasks and human astronauts focus on leadership, creativity, and exploration. Others are not so optimistic. They argue that once AI surpasses human capability, it will be the dominant force in space, leaving humanity behind. And then there's the question of control. If AI astronauts become too advanced, how do we ensure they remain under human command? Could rogue AI astronauts become the first sentient space beings? The era of human-only space exploration is ending. AI is no longer just a tool. It's becoming the new explorer of the cosmos. NASA's secret AI astronauts are paving the way for a future where machines may be the first to walk on Mars, the first to build space colonies, and perhaps the first to claim new worlds. The question is no longer if AI will take over space exploration. The question is, will humanity still have a place in the stars? What do you think? Are AI astronauts the future of space travel, or should humans always be at the forefront? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love exploring the mysteries of science, AI, and the unknown, don't forget to subscribe Unknown Investigator, and hit the bell icon